In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AnyDesk error desk_RT_IPC_error on Windows step by step. This error usually happens when Windows security settings, firewall rules, corrupted AnyDesk files, or permission issues stop the app from running properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, we're going to check Windows security because anti-ransomware protection can block AnyDesk from creating the temporary files it needs. To do this, open the Windows search bar and search for Windows security. Open the app, then click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find the Ransomware Protection section and click Manage Ransomware Protection. If Controlled Folder Access is turned on, switch it off temporarily. This setting can sometimes block trusted apps from working correctly, especially remote desktop tools like AnyDesk. After turning it off, try opening AnyDesk again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to allow AnyDesk through Windows Firewall. A strict firewall rule can interrupt AnyDesk's network communication and cause connection or launch errors. To do this, click the Windows search bar again and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then on the left side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Next, click Change Settings so you can edit the list. Find AnyDesk in the list and make sure both the private and public checkboxes are selected. This tells Windows to trust AnyDesk on both private and public networks. Once that's done, click OK. Then, restart your computer so the changes can fully apply. If the error still appears after that, the best next step is a clean reinstall of AnyDesk. Sometimes the app's cache or configuration files become corrupted, and a simple reinstall is not enough unless you remove everything completely. Start by clicking the Windows search bar, typing Control Panel, and opening it. Then click Uninstall a program. Find AnyDesk in the list, select it, and click Uninstall. After uninstalling the app, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box, type %AppData% and press Enter. Look for the AnyDesk folder and delete it. Then open Run again, type %ProgramData% and delete the AnyDesk folder there too. These folders can store leftover settings or broken files that continue causing the same issue even after reinstalling. Once both folders are removed, go to the official AnyDesk website and download the latest fresh copy of the app. Install it again and test whether the error is resolved. Now, if AnyDesk still does not work properly, there is one more simple fix you should try. Run it as administrator. Some permissions can be restricted at the system level, and AnyDesk may need elevated access to start correctly. Go to your desktop, right-click the AnyDesk application, and select Run as administrator. This gives the app higher permission and can often bypass launch errors caused by restricted access. In many cases, one of these four methods will solve the desk_RT_IPC_error problem on Windows. If the issue was caused by security settings, firewall restrictions, corrupted data, or missing permissions, this process should get AnyDesk working again. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.